who I was, you all came out online, virally, and supported the work that we've been doing. And as people from Toronto, as Canadians, that you have really stood out and really made yourselves heard. You are one of the quickest cities to get yourself organised. You should be proud of yourselves. And I'm really excited about coming back to visit this city in November with my team and come and deliver to you the products that we promised to deliver. When I initially started the program, I asked for $50,000. I thought I was crazy. And what happened was I put pressure on the community to deliver, to say within 1 month I need $50,000, all or nothing. And what the community did was, they didn't give me 50, they gave me $122,000. And so I'm proud to say that we have commenced production. I've actually just come from Hong Kong. I've come back from Hong Kong where I've shown the products to the suppliers. And basically I wanted to talk to you about some of the products that we're planning on preparing. Number one, we have 6 posters already that you can see here. And we plan to release 4 textbooks, 4 colouring books, 2 children's books, a book in English that explains who the Oromo people are, so you can have it in your home, on your coffee table when Faranjis come to your house and say, what's Oromo? You say, have some buna, Oromo's made it, and read this book. And also to give some puzzles of flashcards. My real plan is not books. My real plan, what I want to do, is I think it's time for the world to find out about who the Oromo people are. Because the reality is what we have is a gift. We have a gift of being the largest single indigenous population in East Africa. Nobody can say that except us. Secondly, in Africa, the 4th most widely spoken language in Africa is Oromo, Afan Oromo. After Arabic, Hausa, Swahili, next is Oromo. So we're in the best position to create the best of the best product. I'm talking video games, cartoons. You know, there's Wiggles and Sesame Street. We're the biggest population in East Africa. We should have our own. We should have our own actors. We've got these young women here who are singing and dancing. Why can't they be part of this group? And I think what we need to do is bring the resources, bring the best of the best, and really increase what we have that God's given us. I feel like there's 7,000 languages in the world at the moment. 7,000. In the statistics, they say in the next 100 years, 3,500 of these languages will disappear. Half of the languages will disappear. I don't plan on Oromo to be one of them. At the same time, what everyone needs to understand is if God protected a language for